In order to maintain the chain quality of Triumph Speed 400, I suggest you keep the front sprocket area also clean. And first, you have to identify how to open this up. So first, you have to open this bolt, then these two bolts. In order to open these bolts, this one and these two at the bottom, you have to use the 8 number T spanner. So I'm going to use this. Remember, the short one is for the top and these long ones are for the bottom. Okay, let's remove this. See how much dirty this sprocket cover is. It's completely filled with slush. Now we need to remove this cover as well. And let's see how many bolts and nuts we have to open to remove this cover. One is here, this Allen bolt. I think number 5 key will be sufficient. Another one we have here also, number 5 Allen key. And I think we have to remove these zip tie locks as well. These two zip tie locks also needs to be removed. So we have to figure out this wire. Okay, these two locks that we need to remove. But let's see. They are attached. They are attached. Not sure how we can remove them. Now I have removed two bolts. One is here and one was here at the bottom. So after removing this, let's see the condition of the front sprocket. I hope it is visible that it is completely filled with slush and dirt. Now, I think WD-40 is one of the greatest product which can be used to clean the chain and the slush and the dirt which usually gathers. So we are also going to use the same product. Let's see.